Question 10. Describe the role of two named enzymes in the process of semi-conservative replication of DNA. So DNA replication is where DNA helicase unzips and separates the two strands of the DNA helix by breaking the weak hydrogen bonds between the strands. Each exposed strand of DNA can then act as a template for the formation of a new strand, and the DNA nucleotides then line up alongside and attach to the exposed bases by complementary base pairing. New hydrogen bonds are then formed between those bases. Then the new nucleotides are joined together by DNA polymerase, which will form the phosphodiester bond between the nucleotides. So that will form the sugar phosphate backbone and will form the bond between a phosphate of one nucleotide and the base and the sugar of the other nucleotide. So then you have two identical molecules of DNA. So for 3 marks, it's wanting you to reference both enzymes. So it's the DNA helicase and describe what it does. So the DNA helicase breaks the hydrogen bonds between the DNA strands, and the DNA polymerase joins the DNA nucleotides to form the phosphodiester bonds. They will reject helicase hydrolyzes the hydrogen bonds. It is just the fact that it breaks the hydrogen bonds. And they are rejecting for marking point 2 any suggestion that DNA polymerase joins the complementary nucleotides to form the hydrogen bonds. It is joining together the nucleotides forming the phosphodiester bond. And they will reject any answer that involves RNA nucleotides or any formation of RNA. You are forming DNA during semi-conservative replication.